Hello everyone, this is Yoshida TV. Today I will introduce ta-da, Nazaru. Okay, for what? This is great too. You should remember this because come to Japan, learning no snooze a lot. And then you can get the Nazar at the drugstore, and this is best one ever. Okay, I got like a lavender type, but you can pick the lavender type or just normal one, and they're both the same. But I am woman, so I love lavender. So anyway, how to use this? Okay, open it, and then what? And grab like this and put one push. And then wait a bit, and then completely gone. Seriously, I know you come to Japan. Wow, so cold. And kind of sick, but annoying. So. And you know, that time you can go to the drugstore and then you get and then you can ask them to get the Nazar, okay? So thank you, enjoy Japan.